So take a bite and try it. Too much, but it's gonna be good right now. Broken the butters. For this recipe, we have to take oil, salt, black pepper, and lemon spice. Too much. Не дома. Ты забагато Ну-ка, дай мне, будь ласка. Then you mash up it. Ow! Why did you do it? Heat your oven to 150 Fahrenheit and bake for 10 minutes. I forgot to add the batter. You know how to open it? Oh, butter baby. Butter lover. Будь ласка, Найомі, що ти взяла мій батон. Ooh, do you like this? No, let's put it into the oven. Wow, hot. Really hot. buttery, but so sad we have to do this. And bake it again and again. Yay! Add Parmesan cheese on the top. Ugh, these big chunks. Wow! Chunks of bacon. Just look, like it's sprinkling snow and then just a bit, and then it's all clear. Broil for 2 minutes or until the cheese is melting. It's still bubbling. Just look at that smell. It's just mwah. Let's try it. I can already smell this asparagus. Let's try it. It's so tender as the taste of oil and butter mixed together like a texture. The spices, you can't even taste them. It is cheese.